How to enable Assistive Touch on Android. So if you want to enable Assistive Touch on Android, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down, and under your settings you may have additional settings option. You can go with additional settings, or if you don't have the additional settings, then you can go with more settings or something like that, and you will have an option of Assistive Touch. Or if you don't find the Assistive Touch, then you will also have Easy Touch option. So you can just simply go with the search which is on the top right, and then you can search for the Assistive Touch or Easy Touch. And here I have the Easy Touch option, which is under Settings, Shortcuts and Accessibility, and Easy Touch. So here you need to go with Shortcuts and Accessibility, and if you scroll down, then you will have the Easy Touch option. So you just need to simply go with the Easy Touch and toggle it on. Once you toggle that on, now you will have the Easy Touch or Assistive Touch on your Android. That's it. That's how you can enable. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.